Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sanyogita Shai from Kalinga University from Chemistry Department. My topic is Trichoderma, the fungal activity of Gaddi shaped milk oligosaccharides. Is the natural constituent of all living beings like bacteria, fungi, plants and placental mammals, in which oligosaccharides is the main component, and which milk is a rich source of oligosaccharides. Nature of oligosaccharides and their number is varies from mammal to mammal and depends on the mammal from which milk belong. I collect my sample from Gaddi shaped milk, which are found in high altitude region. I collect my sample from Palampur district of Himalayan region and process through Covata and Ginsberg method. After that, isolated oligosaccharides goes for HPLC to check homogeneity and chemical degradation method and further fungal microbial activity. Oligosaccharides are essential part of all microbes such as bacteria, fungi, plants, and placental mammals. The milk is a rich source of oligosaccharide. It can provide number of novel oligosaccharides depend on the nature of mammals from which milk belongs. Infant milk oligosaccharide is rich in sialyl oligosaccharide. This is important for construction of brain components such as ganglioside of sucking claves. Dog milk oligosaccharides have dominant and acetyl neuramin lactose sulfate are beneficial for nutrition of rat pulp. Saccharide have capability to stimulate non-specific immunological resistance of the host in contrast to parasitic infections. Milk oligosaccharide isolated from donkey resist specific and non-specific immunological stimulants. The cow milk oligosaccharide reduce the addition of enterotoxic Escherichia coli strains or the calf effect shown by goat milk oligosaccharide in rat with trinitrobenzene sulfonic acid induce colitis. It may be helpful for inflammatory bowel disease. It is also play an important role in intestinal protection and repair after damage caused by dextran sodium sulfate. Saccharides are helpful of postnatal development of immune system. It is also helpful against viral and bacterial infection. Anti-infective effect of human milk has been partially attributed to high amount of free oligosaccharides. The milk sample was processed through Covata and Ginsberg method, in which 10 liters of milk stored at minus 20 degrees centigrade and centrifuged at 4 degrees centigrade, then filtered through a loosely packed glass full column in cold. Lipid layer are discarded and supernatant was further precipitated with 68% of ethanol and agas. After centrifugation, protein and lactose layer are discarded and supernatant was filtered through a microfilter of 0.2 micron to remove remaining lactose. It was then lyophilized. The lyophilized material are mainly contain of mixture of oligosaccharide. It was fractionated through Sulfadex G25 column eluted with triple distilled water at a flow rate of 3 ml per minute. The fraction were analyzed for sugar by phenol sulfuric acid test. The carbohydrate containing fraction in two parts. First goes for analytical methods and second for chemical methods. In analytical method, HPLC was done to check homogeneity of mixture. In this process, mixture is eluted with triple distilled water, that is 90% triple distilled water plus 10% of acetonitrile solution at a flow rate of 1 ml per minute to check the homogeneity of milk oligosaccharide. In chemical methods, chemical transformation, that is acetylation, is done, in which the fraction gave positive phenol sulfuric acid test was acetylated with pyrene and acetic anhydride, converting the free sugar into non-polar acetyl derivatives, which were separated and purified by column chromatography over silica gel, which resulted in the isolation of chromatographically pure compound. Further, the acetylated compound are changed into deacetylated form by dissolving acetone and ammonia and left for overnight. Ammonia was removed under reduced pressure and the compound was washed with chloroform and finally freeze-dried, giving a deacetylated oligosaccharides. The oligosaccharide is further processed for fungal test. Anti-activity of the milk extract was assessed against various fungi. A suspension of milk oligosaccharide of approximately 1 to 2 milligram is prepared and then spreaded over the plates. Two type of agar medium are used: potato dextrose agar medium and sesame agar medium. Dextrose agar medium and CZ Pex dox agar medium was used for Trichoderma. Three type of strains are used: Trichoderma polysporum, Trichoderma phaloscum, Trichoderma longibrachium. Spread over in a petri dish and adjusted pH to 5.4 to 5.8 for a potato dextrose agar medium and 7.1 to 7.5 for CZ Pex dox agar medium at 20 to 25 degrees centigrade. Concentration of Gaddi-Ship milk oligosaccharides were 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 1 micromilligram per ml. Pure culture of fungi was taken and a 0.1 ml of both culture was spreaded on the surface of media plates with the help of sterile swab. After the plates were allowed to dry, sterile paper discs containing Gaddi-Ship milk oligosaccharide and double distilled water were placed on the agar plate surface and the plate were incubated at 28 degrees centigrade for 5 to 7 days for Trichoderma species. In HPLC, 13 peaks are observed, which indicate that 13 oligosaccharides are present in this oligosaccharides group, which was for TLC plate, in which 95% of chloroform and 5% of methanol solution are used as a solvent, and 13 spots are observed. Pre-known references for comparison in fungal test are used. All experimental procedures were performed in triplicated form for accuracy of test. Fungal test. 3 strains of Trichoderma, Polysporum, Phaloscum and Longibrachium are used. Fungal activity examines for the drug discovery and epidemiology. Number of reports is available showing efficiency of different milk as a antifungal agent, but Gaddi-Ship milk enhance the growth of Trichoderma species. Trichoderma is a biocontrol porter for fungal disease of plant. Trichoderma polysporum produce cyclosporin, which is a immunosuppressed prescribed in organ transplant to stop rejection. Trichoderma longibrachium, the common house mold, produce a small maptic peptide enclosed of amino acid absent in common protein like alpha amino isobutyric acid known as trengloin. Trengloin are extremely corrosive to heat and antimicrobial, making primary interference the sole management option. Trichoderma was to have biocontrol activity outside of Cape against a variety of other fungi including Ambrosia formis and Crematosis. Trichoderma phaloscum have pathogenic potential, although they are not commonly known for disease-causing agent in human and animals. Trichoderma is a potent biocontrol agent and used extensively for soil-borne disease and plant growth promoter to increase the plant ability to resist drought. Trichoderma strains are known for increased resistance in plant. Some species by secretion of a specific compound induce ethylene formation, hypersensitivity response, and other defensive reaction in plant cultivators. Trichoderma strains are remediable in the bioremediation of soil. They have potentiality to degree a use range of disinfectant like organochlorines, organophosphates, and carbonates. Gaddi-Ship milk oligosaccharide at the concentration of 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, 1 micromilligrams per ml in each excess has a for a typical fungal activity shows. The fungal growth in oligosaccharides. The final result shows the 3 fungal strains Trichoderma polysporum, Trichoderma phaloscum, and Trichoderma longibrachium are significantly sensitive to Gaddi-Ship milk. The growth of these strains was enhanced nearly 68% for polysporum, 55% for phaloscum, and 60% for longibrachium. Based on the discussion from microbial action of Gaddi-Ship milk against different species of Trichoderma, the Gaddi sheep milk are used as a natural contamination, mostly oil-based, enhance their growth. It might be considered as an important natural contamination controller with trichoderma as in type of sprayer compost or to grow fungi either indoor and outdoor and so on to make clean and green environment. The references which I used, this is the picture of Gaddi sheep from which sample are collected.